come out and show you the neighborhood being built, but I wanted to get you the elevation basically. So let me turn. It's a stone and brick home, only on a 60-foot. Pretty nice. So guys, don't wait long. Hi.
Hi,
Yeah.
Lori Evans, Marketing Manager for Hillwood. So if you have any questions about Valencia, we also have Pomona and Legacy opening up this summer. Feel free to send me an email, lori.evans@hillwood.com.
Friends, will be Valencia Coventry Homes. Look at this huge counter. And hi.
Hi, Lori Evans, Marketing Manager for Hillwood. So if you have any questions about Valencia, we also have Pomona and Legacy opening up this summer. Feel free to send me an email, lori.evans@hillwood.com.
His and hers. Private area. Out of the master bedroom, and remember that right side from the family room. You can go out to the patio. telling you, this is where you will enter if you enter from the garage, guys. Whirlpool, oven, microwave. What can I say about this brand new neighborhood off of Highway 6, 288 in Manvel, and it is beautiful. Manvel connects to the Pearland, going south to the Galveston, going west to the Missouri City area and Sugar Land, and it is a very centrally located area, very close to downtown and very close to the medical center. So downtown medical center, look at this brick and stone elevation. You guys will love it. Of course, it is under construction, so it's considered phase 1. You know what about phase 1? Listen to my video. I will put a link about that when you book a house in phase 1. What are the benefits, guys? I'm Sonal Shah, and if you want to talk to me, all you have to do is just call me and text me